So good afternoon. So today I'm going to explain the code, the activity, which is the controlling buzzer by photoresistor. So first we're going to have the cons photocell. This is where the photocell attached to. This is the sensor attached to, and then the value of the sensor, which will be 0, and then because cons and buzzer pin. Here is where the buzzer is attached to. And then to set up, now we're going to make pin mode buzzer pin dot output. Here is to initialize buzzer as an output. And then we're going to void, we're going to have a loop. And then here is the sensor value, analog, the photocell, which is this. And then digital write buzzer pin high. This is to delay the sensor. And then here is delay sensor value. This wait for a while and the delay time depends on the sensor value. And then the digital write buzzer pin low and then sensor delay. That's all. So this is my my output. It's the code. So if you want here, hinay lang siya pero madungog siya. If imo siyang tabunan, tingog kuan tik lang. Apa? Ang tabunan niya. Okay.